Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and welcome to Driving with John Chow. I want to answer a a very demanding reader email today and answer it in this video. And the reason I say demanding is because I don't know what the tone or the request of the email, but basically this particular reader wanted me to show him an affiliate marketing course that will teach him how to make money online from start to finish. That's basically it. But he doesn't want to pay for it. He said, I don't want to pay for it. I want it for free. So show it to me. So yeah, I'm kind of paraphrasing, but that's basically the request. Right? So an affiliate marketing course that shows you how to make money from start to finish and costs nothing. Now you would think that I'm gonna tell him that, come on man, how are you supposed to make any money but anyway, just so happened you, my friend, are in luck because I got one. All right. Well, actually, it's not my one, but it's one I recommend. And the link for the course is below this video. It is called the Affiliate Bootcamp, and the Affiliate Bootcamp is a bootcamp that's designed to help you to create an affiliate marketing business from the very beginning with you knowing absolutely nothing, and then 100-day process. Like the next 100 days, the goal is from today, 100 days from now, you will become a super affiliate making at least $4 grand a month. And that's the goal of the bootcamp anyway. I mean, your results will vary. You may not do it. You may do better. I don't know, but still require effort on your part. So now why is this bootcamp for free? Like how is this person making money? Well, the bootcamp is actually created by Russell Brunson, who is the founder of ClickFunnels. And one of the foundation tools you will need to start an affiliate marketing business is the ability to create sales pages, and that's what ClickFunnels does. So Russell created this course because he's hoping you will like it and you're going to get value from it, that you like it so much that when it comes time for you to select your landing page creation software, you might consider using ClickFunnels. There you go. That's his motivation. That's why he created this course. But I actually been for the course, and it is really, really good. And I mean, if I were to do my own course, it will be similar to that, pretty much along that same line in terms of what will be teach, the techniques and all the methods. But instead of me spending the next few months creating this stuff, Russell already did it, why don't I just recommend it? So there you go. So that answers your question. If you want to a full-blown course on affiliate marketing, and one more thing, like you might think that the actual affiliate marketing course teach you how to find an affiliate program. That's the only thing that doesn't teach you how to find an affiliate program, because it's gonna assume that you're gonna use ClickFunnels. It's gonna use ClickFunnels affiliate program. So it's gonna teach you how to promote ClickFunnels. But here's the thing: the techniques and the methods shown can be used to promote any affiliate product. That's the key. So you don't have to use it to promote ClickFunnels. Mind you, it is a very, very good affiliate program. Yeah, ClickFunnels is a very, very good affiliate program, but I promote more than ClickFunnels myself. I promote Aweber, I promote all these other affiliate programs, but the techniques I use is basically taught in Affiliate Bootcamp. So there you go. You want a free affiliate marketing course from start to finish that will show you as a brand new newbie, and 100 days from now, you can become a full-time affiliate marketer. Affiliate Bootcamp. Go check it out. Link is below this video. Go through it. Costs you absolutely nothing. Zero. And if you like it, great. If you don't like it, then hey, go get your money back. John Chow from johnchow.com. Thank you very much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like that. Please like and share my video. And if you're a first-time subscriber, first-time viewer, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. See you guys next time.